So we're at the Las Vegas market today, and we are here as buyers.
For all kinds of official. Oh, is that the right side? Yeah. We're going to show you what we find, just let you come shop with us. We have no idea what to expect. We've been told a little bit. I'm wearing my Birkenstock comfy shoes, and I feel like we're a little dressed down. Everybody was fancy this morning.
Yeah, everybody's got like suits and ties on. I'm like, I can't break from t-shirts and jeans. I can't do it. So Jamie likes the llamas. This is all gift stuff. We want to go over to the home stuff.
I might buy myself some jewelry, you don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
I own like 2 necklaces, so.
Maybe 3 or 6. Hey, here we go. Look at these pillows and these ottoman things here. Oh man, this is my booth right here. These guys are selling wood. Look at these, Jamie. They look real. I don't know what you would do with the lettuce, but it feels real too. Man, this fake bread's making me hungry. Oh, it's like foam. You know, this piece of bread, it's got good bounce back. Hey, look who we found!
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Happy market.
Oops,
Can't
sorry, I
believe this is
stepped
your
on you.
first one.
I know.
I'm so excited for you.
They're European.
How much are those?
Those are $130 each.
That comes with the stand?
Yeah, it's the whole thing.
We're at the cheese and sugar molds area. I like these big long ones, so we'll pick up probably 4 of these, and then maybe like 2 or 3 of the smaller ones. So let's go ahead and get those picked out, and then hopefully they'll let us leave them here when we shop, because I don't want to carry those with me. So that's my pile over there. Now if I buy something big, can I leave it here and then come back when I'm done? Okay.
I like those wood spoons too.
Those are a little too
This is
prim
your
for
pile?
the shop.
You've already... A little too prim? What are you talking about? What I want to know is, can I buy the display table? I like their crate display here.
Yeah, I do too. I need to find out like what their purchasing situation is here. Because a lot of the stuff is like these are authentic brick molds.
This is how you repair a cutting board right there.
These are cool. I love this.
Do something like this and have, like, you can have all kinds of stuff up underneath. We're back from the Las Vegas market and we found a ton of fun things, and we got a bunch of stuff from cash and carry that we brought home with us and a lot of stuff on order.
Yeah, we gotta hurry and get it sold because we have pallets and pallets of new stuff coming. So we're gonna get this priced in the shop and share with you all the things we saw and our favorite vendors at the Las Vegas market.
While we're showing you the new stuff that we brought home, we gotta find a place to put all of these things. So we're gonna be doing a major revamp of the shop.
This European baby bath is from Uber Chic Designs. We actually found a ton of things that were not repopulated. They were just like actual antiques, and this is one of them. We paid $130, and in our shop it'll sell for $295.
So these spools were actually found items. They're from India, from Indus Designs is where we picked those up. They're based out of Tempe, Arizona. And then these cheese molds and the dough bowl are from Forever Green Home, and they get a lot of their products handmade in Mexico, but they're based in Arkansas, and they're actually making a lot of their own things there in Arkansas in-house. One of the things about the market is that you have to have a resale license. You have to be able to have a tax ID and have a shop that you're selling in. They won't just sell to anybody. It's free to get in, but a lot of them have a minimum buy-in, and they're not open to necessarily public buyers. You can have a guest, but you have to have your tax ID. They're very serious about it. They gave us all little badges and scanned everybody, so you just can't walk in off the street. You have to register before you go to the market with your business.
No, that looks weird.
I feel like there's a lot of room between these two shelves. I got basically 2 aisles, so we're gonna move this way. That way we have a lot more room in front for display stuff. See how it looks. We might end up moving it back. We do that.
have a whole bunch of stuff in the back. It's clean and not tattered.
Something I put in there doesn't want to.
Maybe look. Let's just do it. That one's better on the bottom.
I got these blocks that I use for blanks for candlesticks and bun feet. Maybe I'll just leave these on their side like that.
All right, guys, thank you for coming along with us while we show you our wholesale market adventures. Buying wholesale was definitely new for us, but I am totally in love with the way the shop is looking, and I can't wait for my pallets and pallets and pallets of stuff that we bought to come in.
I can't wait either because we gotta start selling it.
When all of that stuff comes in, we'll definitely do an unboxing, show you guys how we put it and price it in the store. Make sure you're hitting up JamiRayVintage.com if you want to upcycle your projects to look like ours. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.